suggestions or road ahead for you, I think first thing I would like to suggest or request you is please focus on quality. Whatever wherever you work, whichever organization you work, please ensure that you are number one in the quality of job what you're doing. You should earn that yes, I'm the best in what I'm doing. Second is earn respect. Earn respect in your family, earn respect with your friends, earn respect where you work. That will take you a long way. Be aware of your trade-offs. A lot of times we focus either too much on the family side, too much on the work side. Always try to have that balance. I have two daughters. So I remember as a child, my dad was a first generation entrepreneur. So when he started working, I never saw him in my school days. I never saw him in my college days. He just got my admission done, and my mother was there. Imagine, a guy who just finished his 12th standard going for engineering in Pune, and his mother is leaving and he's crying. That's how I was attached to my parents. But 1 week and I was back. So I think it is important to know your trade-offs. What are you trading, and how you're spending your time, because time is one thing which you cannot stop. So you need to be very, very sure where you're investing your time, how you're investing your time. Always try to introspect. We always criticize others, but I feel what I've learned is you're not competing with anyone other than yourself. So you have to be a better version of yourself tomorrow, day after a couple of years. So set your benchmark where you want to be, where you are and where you want to be. And for that, it needs a lot of effort to make that path of, so what I've done for myself, I put my wish list, whatever I want to do in my life. Then I have narrowed down. So there is a 80-20 rule which everyone should apply. जो भी करना है सब कुछ लिख दो. उसमें से select 20% which is the most important. So out of 100 things you will come to 20. Do a 80-20 rule for that. You will come to 4. Do 80-20, you will come to one thing. That's your one thing you should do now. What is your one thing you should know? That's most important for you. Never worry about making mistakes. मुझे लगता है आज की जनरेशन डरती बहुत है. मतलब I don't know. So डरते in the sense, do mistakes. That's how you learn. I've done ample of mistakes in my life, and those mistakes have made me what I am today. I still do make mistakes, but I feel you should bounce back faster. You should learn from those mistakes, not fear that I should not make mistakes. Tomorrow, today, everything is about technology. So adapt technology, use technology in every possible way in what you're doing. That will help you. So in my organization, I am automating all my processes. Currently, I'm working on 150 processes in my organization. By that, I'll free my complete manpower. All my managers will be free. They don't have to come to office for any job. Everything will be on, Google Forms, Google Sheets. They can work from anywhere. They don't need to come to office. That's how I'm automating my processes. So I can make my people more productive. So you need to understand, what is my strength? Where am I working? How can I use technology? But I think with technology, we are involved so much in technology, that we are forgetting that we are humans. So don't forget the human touch. We are still humans. We need humans around us. So always remember that that human touch has to be there ever. Otherwise, we will all become robots. Build friendship and long-term relationship. Always invest in friends who are going to be there with you for long-term. Never look at short-term friendship. Don't look at someone. So you will have a lot of acquaintance in life, but you will have very few friends in life. So invest in your core friends. Invest in relationship, which will go a long way for you. I feel there is a solution for everything. हम कई बार we feel कि we are at a dead end, but there is always a solution. जब आप सोचोगे ना, so I'll give you what I do. मुझे कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होता है, I get up every day at 4 o'clock. I work from 4 to 7:30, 8 o'clock. Then I do my gym. Then my actual work starts or office work starts around 10:30. मेरे कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होता है, it's that morning 4 a.m. I think about, भाई, this is my problem. मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? I crack my brain over it, but I get a solution. It's never happened that I had a problem and I could not find a solution. It's just that at that moment you might not find, but if you give it time, you will find a solution. And have passion from within, from heart. Don't use too much of brains, dil se kaam karo. Then you'll enjoy. If you work from your heart, you will give more time to it, you will enjoy it, and you will be able to sustain it over a long period of time. And I think I would like to leave you with this quote, yeah. So, if God wants to measure me, he would put a tape around my heart and not my head. So, what is important is EQ, not IQ.